Hello everyone and welcome to our UniMoves app tutorial. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to set up a user account. Selecting Create My Wellness Account down the bottom, enter all of your details here. Using the credentials you've just chosen, log into the app. It will then bring up all of your profile information here. I've covered mine over, and then hit Continue. This is the home screen of the app. To view your profile, select the fourth icon in the bottom right-hand corner. This is where you can connect any third-party tracking device or app that you already use. Select Connect Apps and Devices and follow the prompts for the app you'd like to connect. Please note that any activity not strictly recorded as a run will not count towards the Alumni Fun Run leaderboard. However, they still will integrate into the profile of your app. And we have a workaround to make sure that every step counts towards the Fun Run Challenge. Returning to the home page, we're now going to join the Fun Run Challenge leaderboard. This is where you'll be able to see everyone else's kilometres. Select Join the Challenge. You will automatically be returned to the home page where you can enter the challenge again by selecting the second icon along. Here you can see how many days left, how many people are in the challenge, and your position. So we can see Matthew up the top there, absolutely killing it. And then you will see me right down the bottom because I've logged no kilometres. Select the back arrow in the top left-hand corner and move to the third icon along. This is where we're going to log the kilometres manually. Given that I'm joining the challenge partway through the month, I need to go back and manually add all the kilometres that I have done so far. Click on the plus sign in the top right-hand corner and select Insert Activity. In order for your kilometres to appear on the leaderboard, you must log them all as jogging, even if you walked, cycled or swam. Typing in jogging in the search bar and selecting it from the menu. This is where we log our kilometres. You can select a place, home, outdoor gym, but it doesn't matter. The duration doesn't matter because the only thing that counts is the distance. Hopefully somewhere you have kept track of how many kilometres you've done so far for the month. For me, I have an Apple Watch and Apple phone, so the fitness app has kept track of that for me. I've gone back through and added them all up and it equals 50.5 kilometres, and you're just gonna have to trust me on that. And add activity. So that is gonna add all of that to today, but that's okay. That's the only way to bring it up to date. So today it'll look like you've run a marathon, which is amazing. Then select the second icon down the bottom, which will take you back to the challenge, and you will see the leaderboard again. Select View Leaderboard and the leaderboard will expand and you will see your updated position. And would you look at that, I'm not doing so bad after all. Another option you have is to use the outdoor activity tracking within the app itself. This is good if you don't have a Fitbit or fitness tracker yourself. And start activity. You do need to select running, even if you're walking, swimming, cycling, no matter what you're doing, always select running. Once you've completed your activity, your kilometres will be automatically updated to the leaderboard and there's no need for manual entry. As one of our alumni fun runners, you also get free access to a range of features within the app. There's a wide range of on-demand classes that you can access. Simply click on the option at the top there and scroll through all the different classes there are to choose from. For example, here's a great cool-down routine for after your run. Here you will find guided exercises and stretches to help with muscle recovery. All of this and more is available to you at just a click of a button. We hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.